Welcome back to the channel, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting hot hatches of the year, the 2026 Volkswagen Golf R. And not just any Golf R, this one is finished in a head-turning, jaw-dropping green that screams performance and personality. If you've been looking for a daily driver that blends practicality, technology, and real-deal power under the hood, stick around. We're going to dissect every detail of the new Golf R, from its exterior styling to interior tech, its thrilling performance, and of course, what it's going to cost you to get behind the wheel. Now, the Golf R has always been the sharpest blade in the Golf lineup. It's the top-tier, all-wheel drive warrior that's not just fun to drive, it's built to take on some serious rivals in the performance hatch world. But the 2026 model? It's sharper, smarter, and more aggressive than ever before. Whether you're a longtime Golf fan or just starting to explore what this beast can do, this video is for you. Let's get into it. Exterior. Let's talk about the visuals first. The 2026 Golf R looks every bit the modern hot hatch, but Volkswagen has added a new layer of sophistication and edge. And in this green finish, wow! It's not a neon, in-your-face type of green. It's deep, almost metallic, with rich undertones that shimmer under sunlight and pop under street lights. It gives the Golf R a bold personality without being over the top. Up front, the new Golf R gets a revised front fascia that's aggressive but clean. The grille has been slightly widened, with a slimmer LED light bar that now stretches across the entire front end, meeting the new IQ, light matrix LED headlights. The R badge sits proudly on the grille, subtly letting you know this isn't your average Golf. There are also larger air intakes that not only look mean but serve functional cooling purposes. Down the side, you'll notice those signature Golf R side skirts that now have a more sculpted design. The stance is slightly lower thanks to the revised suspension setup, and the standard 19-inch wheels look fantastic, lightweight and finished in black to contrast perfectly with the green paint. There's also an optional 20-inch set for those wanting even more flair. At the rear, things get even more exciting. The quad exhaust setup is still here, but this year, they've been slightly repositioned to enhance symmetry. And if you go for the optional Akrapovic titanium exhaust, you're in for a sound upgrade as well. A larger roof spoiler finishes off the look, along with redesigned LED taillights and a new rear diffuser that helps with aerodynamics while dialing up the attitude. Volkswagen has made subtle changes that add up to a more purposeful and dynamic look. It's not trying to be a boy racer. It's grown up, but still has plenty of mischief in its design. And in this green, it's guaranteed to turn heads at every stoplight. Interior. Open the doors, and you're greeted by one of the best interiors in the hot hatch segment. The 2026 Golf R is all about driver focus with premium touches that elevate the experience from fun to genuinely luxurious, without losing the sporty vibe. First thing you'll notice, the front seats. Heavily bolstered, Nappa leather wrapped, and stitched in blue and carbon fiber accents, they hug you in place without feeling tight. They're heated, ventilated, and even offer a massage function, a rare luxury in this segment. The R logo is proudly embossed into the headrests. The dashboard layout is clean and futuristic. Volkswagen has finally responded to feedback and improved the touch-sensitive controls that were introduced in earlier models. The sliders for volume and climate control are now backlit and more responsive. The 10.25-inch digital cockpit Pro sits right in front of the driver, offering full customization, from performance data to navigation, to G-meters and lap timers. At the center of the dash is the 12.9-inch infotainment display, larger and faster than before. It runs on VW's updated MyB4 system, which now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. The interface is more intuitive, and voice control is vastly improved. And yes, you still get physical buttons for the essentials, thank you, Volkswagen. Ambient lighting has been upgraded as well, with 30 customizable colors that stretch across the dashboard, doors, and footwells. It gives the cabin a premium vibe, especially during nighttime driving. Rear seat space remains practical. While it's not limo-like, there's decent room for 2 adults or 3 kids. The materials carry over, soft-touch plastics, leather inserts, and quality finishes that make it feel a cut above most compact cars. The cargo space? Still generous for a hatchback. With the rear seats up, you've got enough room for daily errands, and with them down, you can easily haul weekend gear or even a bike. It's the ultimate mix of performance and practicality. Performance. Now, let's get to the heart of the beast, performance. Under the hood of the 2026 Volkswagen Golf R is an updated version of the beloved 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine. This year, it cranks out a potent 333 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque, making it the most powerful Golf R ever offered from the factory. Power is sent to all 4 wheels via Volkswagen's 4Motion all-wheel drive system, which now features the latest torque vectoring technology. That means more grip, more stability, and sharper cornering than ever before. Whether you're tearing through a mountain pass or navigating wet urban streets, the Golf R holds its line like it's on rails. The standard transmission is a lightning-quick 7-speed DSG dual-clutch automatic. Shifts are crisp, responsive, and accompanied by perfectly timed exhaust burbles. For the purists, there's some bittersweet news: the manual transmission has officially been discontinued in 2026. It's a shame, but the performance trade-off is negligible for most drivers. 0 to 60 miles per hour. You're looking at a blistering 4.3 seconds. That puts it in serious sports car territory. Top speed is electronically limited to 155 miles per hour, but with the optional performance package, it increases to 168 miles per hour. Speaking of performance options, that performance package also includes a Nürburgring drive mode, which fine-tunes throttle response, steering weight, and suspension damping for maximum attack. There's also a drift mode. Yes, you heard that right. With torque vectoring, the Golf R can now send more power to the rear wheels, allowing for controlled slides in a safe environment. It's playful, precise, and makes this car feel like more than just a point-and-shoot daily. The adaptive DCC suspension system now has a broader range of adjustability. In comfort mode, it absorbs bumps and road imperfections with ease, making it perfectly livable. Switch to race mode, and it stiffens up dramatically, turning every input into an immediate response. Steering is tight and communicative, brakes are strong and fade-resistant, and the overall balance is nothing short of impressive. Volkswagen's engineering shines through in how well the Golf R handles both spirited driving and everyday commutes. It's refined when you need it, and an absolute riot when you want it to be. Few cars offer such a dual personality this effectively. Prices review. Let's talk dollars. The 2026 Volkswagen Golf R doesn't come cheap, but when you break down what you're getting, it's still one of the best value propositions in the performance car market. Base price starts around $47,495. That includes the standard all-wheel drive, 19-inch wheels, full LED lighting, performance brakes, and that powerful turbo engine. Also included are the Digital Cockpit Pro, 12.9-inch infotainment system, Nappa leather seats, and all the essential driver assistance features. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and more. So, is the 2026 Volkswagen Golf R worth your money? Absolutely, if you're looking for a car that doesn't compromise. It's a hatchback that feels like a luxury sedan inside, drives like a sports car, and handles daily duties with ease. The green color gives it that added edge, a mix of sophistication and sportiness that stands out without shouting. It's a driver's car at its core, with the tech and quality to back it up. And while we'll miss the manual option, what you get in return is one of the most complete performance packages on sale today. Whether you're a loyal Volkswagen fan or someone shopping around for a do-it-all machine that'll keep a smile on your face every time you hit the throttle, the 2026 Golf R should be on your shortlist. Green never looked, or sounded, so good. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the new Golf R, hit that like button, subscribe for more long-form car reviews, and let us know in the comments. Would you go green on your Golf R? Or are you sticking with the classics? Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.